Truck looks so much better now. What's going on, guys? We are double trail bossing in today's video. So you've probably already seen this truck on the channel before. It's my father-in-law's 2020. He actually went out of town for about a week and he left me his truck. So the only rational thing to do is throw a couple mods on it, right? So it's fairly stock at the moment. He's got side steps, he's got a bed cover. I got him this little shorty antenna a while back, but other than that, completely stock. And obviously fishbowling really bad. So the first mod in this video is gonna be taking care of the fishbowl problem. Lauren's gonna drive this truck down. I'm gonna drive my truck because I'm actually getting my sunroof tinted. Might as well go ahead and take them both down there and get it all knocked out at once. And then the next thing is we're gonna sneak down to the exhaust shop and do a muffler delete on this truck. So he talked to me a while back about wanting his truck louder because they're completely silent stock. You don't hear the exhaust at all. But he doesn't want it as loud as mine. So I figured a muffler delete should be perfect. I'm gonna keep the muffler just in case he absolutely hates it and we have to change it back because this is gonna be a complete surprise. His truck does not have resonators back here where mine actually did. So now we just gotta wait on Lorin to get ready and then we'll hit y'all with some cold starts, head down to the tint shop. Say hey to the vlog.
Hi.
All right, guys, dropping off the black trail boss. They're gonna get the front windows knocked out. And more fishbowl. We'll be back to get my sunroof taken care of. All right, guys, just finished up down here at Tint Pro. Always treat us right. I'll catch up with y'all tomorrow and we'll check out how the tent looks.
Perfect.
Ceases to amaze how big of a difference a little tint makes. Truck looks so much better now. Just 20% on the front windows to match the back. Shouldn't be bothered by any body ticket wise for this. Like you see, you can still see in, but just you do gain a lot of privacy, and obviously at certain angles like this, overall every angle it looks better, but like this you can't see in. It's got that nice reflection. Looks absolutely amazing. So 20% front windows to match the rear. As you see, you can see out perfectly fine, totally safe during the night, during the day, everywhere. So untinted sunroof here, boom, 5% tint on here. I don't remember what brand. It was their second best. It's got high heat resistance. Obviously, like I said, 5%. So like a mirror, looks absolutely amazing. And now the sun won't be burning me. The light won't be blinding me, reflecting off all this crap. That's awesome. I freaking love that. So I am stoked. Both trucks looking and feeling so much better with a little bit of tint on there. So next up is go to the exhaust shop. I guess I'm going to be going to the regular spot Monday morning. So I'll catch up with y'all then. Just got to the exhaust shop. Me and Knox gonna get this muffler delete done.
Hey everyone.
Hope she sounds good.
This is
All right, they just got done. I hadn't heard it yet. Let's hear it real quick before we go get some clips. Oh yeah. He's gonna like it. Nice little rumble. louder. Sounds good. I think it's gonna be perfect.
Why do I have to stand directly behind it?
Cause that's for the full effect.
Oh.
Yeah, there's rocks. All right, first cold start. Will your dad hate it?
Wow!
Sounds good.
I think I like it. That does smell good.
Yeah.
He's gonna be shocked.
Yeah.
He's not gonna know.
I know, he can't pick it up until later when we can film him.
Yeah.
So we'll catch up with y'all surprising him. Got your front windows done. And then we got a surprise at the back. You can go, we'll drop the tailgate. You want to walk back there. Oh, Lord. Oh, wait, back it up.
Back.
Back. We'll
Okay.
It's not remote starting. All right.
What a fail!
You fail?
Go back there.
Well, it sounds good.
It sounds real good. Hopefully you like it.
Is it too loud?
That sounds good.
It sounds awesome driving. It doesn't drone at all. It's nice. I don't know why it didn't remote start, but it was refusing to. Yeah, she was surprised. It's just a muffler delete. They put a 3-inch pipe in there.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas!
Tint Pro did your tint. If you have any issues out of it, they'll straighten you up. Yeah.
That's good. Yeah, it's a rumble now.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can actually hear it when you drive now. Me and Knox went and got that
And
taken
it's
care of.
louder when it's cold. So that's why
Yeah,
it's
that's
so loud.
that's the
It's
loudest
been
right there.
sitting
Yeah,
For
2
like
days.
2 days in the cold.
Have you heard mine yet? I got a new exhaust on
Oh,
mine.
you did?
Yeah, it's over on the passenger side.
Well, I saw that I saw a video you did where you were taking off 6 inch.
Yeah, that was this one,
Went to the,
but I changed it. And I put 2 down there.
oh, you put doubles down here.
Yeah.
Wow.
She's rowdy, but yours has got that clean, just
Yeah.
little rumble. You'll have to give us an update how you think it sounds driving it, but
Well, I like it right now. Like
Yeah.
I said, I like this. It has a rumble to it rather than just
right. Yeah.
Well, cool.
Well, he likes it. Sign us off.
Peace.
For those that wanted to see what actually got removed and replaced with, 3-inch pipe, just a good old muffler delete. See how that auto stop start sounds. Pretty nice. nice.